Assalamu alaikum. Well, Alhamdulillah, hope you all are fit and fine. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I'm very happy at this moment. Actually, I know that a little bit about this matter. And actually, I belong to my habit. Okay, so what I do, it's being in my life as a habit. Okay, so actually I'm a student, that's why I have to study more and more. After that, it into good things in my life. Okay, so that's why I would like to share about this matter. Okay, so in short term I will try my best how I can explain about this matter. Okay, so nowadays I am studying godly. Okay, that's why you are listening me. Okay, so I'm a student and I'm working in factory. So between work and studying, both are right, being goodly. Okay, so actually you know that practice makes a man perfect. So what I am doing, I have to do very attentively, very strongly, very carefully, very sincerely. Okay, that's why all the thing I following this about this matter. Okay, so I belong to my habits. Okay, and then I try to cancel all of things. What is the lost profit for me? Okay, so include and exclude. Okay, include, that means good position will you for if you can follow this word include. Okay, so just not include in bad word. You have to practice more and more for spoken English, and you can do something. You can try to your best. Okay, so include, you have to use this word in good situation. Okay, and on the other hand, exclude is not good, but on the other hand is good. As you know that we have to we have to know about exclude. Okay, so exclude means is negative, in negative side. Okay, I think it that sometimes it's being positive because of I was a lot of problems. I was a lot of a bad habit, and then I am trying to exclude about this habit. Okay, so that's why it's positive and negative, but we have to guess that what is the beneficial work for me. Okay, what I will choose, it will be very possible for me. Actually, probably sometime we are connect in our bad habit, connect in our bad habit. So at the same time we have to guess that it's not right for me. Okay, and at the same time we have to cancel this matter. Okay, from my heart. Okay, that's why in short time, that's why I don't want to make this video for longer video. So that's why actually you know that we belong to our habit. Okay, so that's why we have to connect in our good habits, and we have to cancel all of our bad habit. Thank you so much, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.